Jim!
I am shagged.
No, you're not. James, where do you think we're going today? And it's not that.
I thought we were going to Chester.
No, it's not that train. That's a train that's just gone there.
I don't want to know. You do. Skegness.
No, it's not Skeggy.
Skeggy!
I'll give you a clue. We're going further south. Let's just say we're going to the south of the north.
South of North.
The third date of the Tempe tour would take us further south than we had previously thought possible. The largest settlement in Staffordshire was on our horizon. Stoke-on-Trent was the destination. On the train down, we decided to revise what little Stoke-based knowledge we had and watch Ricardo Fuller's 2008 stunner against Aston Villa.
Where are we?
Well,
we're in Stoke.
You're right, you answered your own question, that's fine. Were you expecting Stoke, Jim?
I wasn't, and at first I thought, oh, Stoke could be quite exotic in its own weird way. And we turned up, and now I'm just like, I'm just unsure.
It feels like a bit until you're actually in Stoke, and then it's like, oh, it's not a bit, we're here.
It's real.
We've got to go busking for 5 hours.
I think you've made some questionable decisions so far.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
To be fair, for a day 2, Blackpool's big.
For day 2, Blackpool is never big.
We've got conflicting opinions on Blackpool.
Right.
I enjoyed it.
Any place which has Ashbourne that big on a sign, it's already got me worried.
I was thinking that about Uttoxeter.
Due to Jack having been to Stoke once before, he set the itinerary for the start of the day.
We are here. So we're going to go.
Stoke Minster, that sounds nice. Let's go and have a look at that.
We're going to go
Stoke Town Hall as well.
To a cafe.
To a cafe for quaff. Alright, let's go to Stoke.
Cafe.
Hello, friend.
Today's about to peak, boys.
Honestly, I told you we're going to get an authentic experience.
Just this with the Stoke City backdrop.
What a time to be alive.
Yeah. Well then. Jack, you got enough beans there?
Enough beans.
You beaned up? Bean me up, Scotty. Gone. Reduced to atoms. Found some dirty dicks. We quickly realised there was literally nowhere to busk within Stoke itself and had to make the 30-minute journey to Hanley. This is really nice. Luckily, we passed through the gorgeous Hanley Park and James was able to capture his pano of the day. Pano of the day. It's pano of the day. Let's see pano of the day. Oh, haven't you done well?
Enter you.
Enter me.
You.
Enter me.
You enter.
Enter you. Enter you and all your glory.
Saucy.
What's that, Jim?
Spoons. This is literally a spoon.
Wow.
Oh my god.
It quickly became evident where the best spot to busk was, and to our dismay, it was already taken. We decided to set up next to a small market and found not much success. I decided to go and do a bit of shopping for some essentials before bumping into a familiar face in CEX. Just bumped into her.
Literally
James
separately came to see
And then again, outside Greg's. we need to stop bumping into each other. First time trying the vegan steak bake from Greg's. Luckily, soon the main busking slot became available and our Hanley headliner could begin. And not soon after, we received the biggest donation of the entire tour. One sec. Whoa! Right, we said when we came here we were doing really well for chocolate. And I was like, nah, we found a packet of Aeros and then you got, what, an orange Kit Kat? And now we are... Alive!
Absolute chaos!
We got in and Jim.
Right. Ferrero Rocher on a budget.
Looks interesting.
Try one.
I will do just that.
Yeah.
We are on a budget. Yeah. shit, isn't it?
Mm.
James then made a pit stop to pick up a strange bit of footballing merchandise, and soon after, I had an intense discussion with the lady behind the bar regarding the colour of my milk stout.
The white milk stout, boys.
Caused much ruckus at the bar.
Yeah, Mike kicked off.
I didn't kick off. I wanted to.
Absolutely lost Mike lost his head. If it wasn't in his beanie, it'd be on the floor.
The last time I saw you react like that was when someone took your beanie off.
That's not true.
It's all in there.
Time to count.
And so, we counted our mediocre earnings and reflected on the day. Stoke as a location was grey, grim, and quite frankly subpar. But this fact helped me realise one of the key lessons of the 10p tour. It wasn't about the locations, or even about the music for that matter. It was about spending time with your friends, a couple of dudes just being guys, hanging out and making stupid memories together. We proceeded to eat our hard-earned bars of dairy milk and looked forward to writing the next chapter of the 10p tour.
So my dad and his mate genuinely had a conversation of noise once. We were sat in the pub, and my dad's mate Tommy always goes, "Ugh." And then my dad was like, just looking at things going, fucking weird.